Most creators waste their best ideas. They publish one post, then start over from zero. I turn one idea into a whole week of content using only the Apple apps you already own. Watch this, one article 10 productivity hacks. That becomes a reel, a Substack note, Pinterest pins, and a product promo. One idea, 7 pieces of content. No Notion, no subscriptions, no new apps to learn. Here's the system, 4 built-in apps, each with one job. Notes captures ideas, calendar plans the week. Reminders runs the daily work, and shortcuts automates the rest. It starts in Apple Notes, your content hub. Keep an idea bank, your audience pain points, your brand story, and your best hooks. Tag every idea and pull it up later with one search. Apple Calendar turns ideas into a plan. Block each day with one job article, reel, pin, promo, behind the scenes. Make it repeat weekly and your system rebuilds itself every Monday. Reminders gets it done. Break each post into steps: write, design, schedule, publish. Check them off and let it nudge you on every device. Then shortcuts automates the boring parts. One tap creates your note, adds the calendar block, and sets the reminders. Or just say, "Hey Siri, new content." 3 habits make it stick. Batch your work, review every Sunday, and save templates. Do that and content stops feeling random and starts feeling automatic. That's the Apple Creator OS. Plan, create, and automate all on Apple. I packed the full setup, templates, and shortcuts into one guide. Get the Apple Creator OS, the links in the description.